Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online courses we offer. This year has been quite full on for me, to be honest. At the moment, I'm in the middle of working on the third edition of the Outcomes coursebook series that I co-author with Andrew Walkley, my writing partner. I'm also teaching a fair bit online. As I may have mentioned before, we're hosting a Ukrainian mother and her son here in North London while the war continues. I'm also trying to maintain some kind of normal family life, trying to have some sort of social life every now and then, and doing various other bits and pieces. And most of the time, this is fine. I enjoy all the various challenges I'm presented with. But last week, in the middle of a publishing meeting, everything just got a bit too much for me. And I ended up having a little breakdown and a little bit of a cry because the pressure was just doing me in. And I'd started to feel that maybe I'd bitten off more than I can chew. If you bite off more than you can chew, you try to do something that's a bit too difficult for you. You basically take on more than you can deal with. So maybe you get promoted at work and you start in your new position and you just find it's overwhelming. The pressure is too much for you. You start to worry that maybe you've bitten off more than you can chew. Or, as happened to a friend of mine, you decide to start homeschooling your child whilst also working. And after a few months, you just feel like you've made a terrible mistake. You feel like you've bitten off more than you can chew and that you can't cope anymore. In case you were wondering, by the way, these feelings passed. I'm back on the writing. Everything's fine and I'm bearing up okay. Thanks for asking. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure you click the like button. Share it with your friends, your students and your colleagues. And in the comment section below, we'd love to hear about times when maybe you felt you'd bitten off more than you could chew.